Dad, this is Mia's crayon.
Mia's crayon? How did it get in your bag?
It got mixed into my bag by mistake. She is outside in the rain right now.
Good morning, everyone. I like sunny mornings.
Me too! Today my class has drawing time.
Alika, here is your lunch bag. There is rice, egg, fruit, and a small sweet cake.
Thank you, Mom. I will draw our family beautifully today.
Eat quickly, kids. Dad will drive you to school.
Everyone ready? Let us go!
It is so sunny today. Drawing time will be so fun!
I hope the art supplies are good ones.
Dad, look. That girl is walking to school alone.
Is she walking alone? Her bag looks broken.
I think she is a new student.
Please be kind to friends who are in situations like that.
Yes, Dad. I will.
Bye, Dad!
I will draw the best picture.
Have a wonderful day. Be kind.
Good morning, everyone. Today we will draw a picture. Please draw your family.
Dad, Mom, Huss, Joff, and me.
Please come in. You can find a seat.
I miss my mom so much. Look, your bag is very old. It is torn. Please do not laugh at me. Your backpack looks like it just came out of the trash. Jack, stop. An old bag is not bad. Laughing at others is bad. Sorry. It's okay. We can all be kind. Jack, please say sorry and go back to your seat. We must be kind to our friends. Okay. I am sorry. Hi, I am Alika. You can sit near me. Thank you, Alika. I only have one piece of bread to last me the whole day. Mia, please have lunch with me. I have an apple and this cake. Thank you. Oh, I was careless. Where is my crayon? Mom bought it for me. Do not worry, Mia. I will help you find it. Where is my red crayon? Mom bought it for me. Do not worry, Mia. Maybe it rolled somewhere. I will help you find it this afternoon.
Children, heavy rain is coming. Please stay in the hall and wait for your parents.
Those are cumulonimbus clouds. Very heavy rain is coming. I am so cold. And Mom's crayon is gone too. Mia, is someone coming to get you? Mia! Wait! You will get so cold! Dad, Mia is running in the rain. Her home is an old leaky house deep behind the park.
Are you sure? She ran alone in this storm? And Dad?
This is Mia's crayon. It got mixed into my bag by mistake.
Okay, honey. I believe you.
The storm is strong. I will call the teacher and find her. You two stay here with Mom.
Be careful, Elia. It is very dark outside.
Dad, you cannot find it alone. It is not a house. It is an old shed behind the big oak tree. Only I know the way into that alley. Alika will go with Dad to show the way.
Okay. Stay very close to me.
Which way, Alika?
Turn left at the school, Dad. Go past the big oak tree.
Mia! Where are you? Mia! It is dangerous out here in the storm!
The shed is right behind it, Dad. Come this way. I'm coming.
Where is it? am Alika's dad. You are safe now. We are here.
Mia, we found you. Come with us. My books are all wet.
Books can dry, Mia. The important thing is that you are safe now.
Mia, I found your crayon. It got mixed into my bag by mistake. I am sorry. Thank you, Alika. Thank you so much. I found it. It was under the bucket. You saved it. Thank you. You are not alone anymore, Mia. I am not scared anymore. It's raining so hard.
But we're together.
Oh, she is all wet. Come inside quickly, all of you.
I will get... Here, Mia. This will help you feel warm. You are safe here. Please rest and get warm. Is this a dream? It is not a dream, Mia. You are really here. Mia, you have a fever. Please rest. You are safe now. Mom, are you really with me? I am here with you tonight, Mia. Rest now. She is very strong. After the rain, the sky is bright again. Yes, and Mia is resting well this morning. Her fever is lower now. That is good. There. Good as new. Thank you. Thank you for everything. What are you drawing with the red crayon, Mia? I am drawing a big family. There is Dad, Mom, Huss, you, and me. Your picture is very beautiful, Mia. From now on, you are always welcome here, Mia.
Thank you, Mr. Elia.
She is my friend, Dad. My best friend. I'm so excited for the first day. Me too. I hope we have Mrs. Davis again. Oh, hi. Hi. Remember, we're all friends here. Mia, yesterday I was not kind. A bag is not important. A friend is important. Can you forgive me? I forgive you. We are friends. Now we are all friends. Yes. We are. We are drawing together, just like I said. Yes, just like you said, Alika. That is a very good drawing, Mia. Mia, you drew 5 people in your family. Dad, Mom, Huss, Alika, and me. She put us in her family. They're laughing and enjoying the moment.
She put all of us in her family drawing.
From now on, she is part of ours. Mom bought this for me. I kept it safe. You are part of our family now, Mia. Thank you, all of you. I added you to my family drawing, Mia. It's beautiful, thank you. You're part of my family too.
A kind heart can make a stormy day feel warm. And a family is not just the people you are born with. It is also the people you choose to love.